Hi, I'm Jason from AutoPot. We're now going to show you how to extend your existing 4-pot system. If you have a 4-pot system at home, you can have an option of 2 configurations, and they are either in a straight line, as you can see in the video, or you can create a square footprint. Very simple to set up the 4-pot system. Connect to your reservoir. The pipe work goes into the grommet, which is pushed inside the tank. There's a filter inside the tank that's pushed inside the pipe work. You have a 9mm tap to turn the water on and off so you can clean your reservoir when you're ready to do so. And then the pipe work, as you can see, heads into each tray, and in each tray there is an aqua valve that controls the flow of the water. And towards the end of the pipe work, you have a flush tap that allows you to flush the lines once a week when you have a full tank of water. We're now going to show you how to extend your existing 4-pot system. We're now going to show you how to extend your existing 4-pot system. From the existing 4-pot system tank, we recommend that no more than 6 plants can be grown using the 47-litre reservoir. If you need to add more plants, then we recommend that you use larger reservoirs and larger pipe to supply the water to the plants. The extension kit consists of an aqua valve, a length of 9mm pipe, a Marix square, a root control square, which is black and gold, and a range or selection of fittings: a 9mm T, a 9mm to 16mm T, a 9mm to 16mm cross, and a 9mm top hat grommet. These 2 fittings will only be used if you're using larger reservoirs and hose pipe as your main delivery pipe. We'll now show you how to set up your new module to your existing system. We're now going to show you how to extend your existing 4-pot system using one module. As I've mentioned previously, the maximum amount of plants that we recommend that you grow from a 47-litre reservoir is 6. So first of all, take your root control square, which is copper one side and black on the other, and your Marix square. There are a couple of options on how to use these. One option is to place the root control disc in the tray, gold face up, and the Marix square in the pot. The second option is to simply not worry with the Marix disc and place the copper disc in the pot, gold face down. So connecting your aqua valve to your system is very simple. First of all, you take your 9mm top hat grommet, locate the hole on the front of the tray and push the grommet into the hole. If you find it difficult, you can wet the grommet or you can put a little bit of washing up liquid in there and that will help it slide in. That's now positioned in the tray. Once you've inserted the grommet into your tray, take your length of pipe supplied with the kit. If you find the pipes quite soft, then dip it in cold water, or alternatively you can add a little bit of detergent onto the end, and that will help it slide through the pipe, or through the grommet, shall I say. So once you push the pipe through, then you can pull it through and then attach your aqua valve. When you receive your aqua valve, it's very important that you ensure there's a silicone in the top float here, and push the silicone in as far as it'll go and make sure it's creating a parallel seal at eye level on the hole below it. Secondly, make sure the silicone in the bottom float is firmly pushed in, and now you're ready to connect your aqua valve to your system. Remove the collar, like so. Thread the collar over the pipe that's inside the tray. Then push the aqua valve onto the end of the pipe and then tighten the collar. When you feel the collar grip, stop. Once you've connected the aqua valve to the tray, then simply pull the pipe back out and locate the half moon section onto the T section in the tray. This will stop the aqua valve from floating. So pull the pipe all the way through, locate the half moon onto the T section, and then push down firmly on the grey body only. And now that's secure in your tray. Then place your pot in your tray. You can, obviously, once you're ready, to pot it up outside the tray, water through, allow to drain, and then place back into your pot. The next thing to do is to connect to your existing system. So it's very simple. You remove the existing tap, insert the 9mm T that's provided with the extension kit, cut the pipe where required, and connect that to the other end of the T. And then the last section of the T, you can just take a small piece of pipe, push that onto the end of the T, and replace the tap that was with your existing system in the closed position. Then place your lid over the aqua valve, and you'll notice that you have two fittings left over. These are obviously surplus fittings, but if you increase the size of your system above 6 plants, these will become very useful. And that's how you connect an existing 4-pot system with a new 1-pot module.